Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your data while using Disney Plus. So if you're using Disney Plus on your phone or on your computer or whatever it is, let's say you're using it on your phone, you can easily go ahead and access, for example, the app settings, and you can access this wherever. I'm showing you on the computer, but you can follow similar steps to do it on your phone. And if you'd like me to do a dedicated video showing you how to do this on your phone, I'll be more than happy to do that. But you want to ensure that you go hover over accounts, you click on accounts and then click on the app settings. Inside the app settings, you're able to find the three usage of data, right? You have automatic, moderate, and data save or save data. So if you want to save data, you select this one and click on save. Just keep in mind that if you choose this one, you're going to be using standard quality of the video playback. So this is how it will stream in standard quality. But if that's fine with you, then you can go ahead and save this. If saving data is the most important thing right here, then once you do that, click on save, and that's all there is to it, guys.